revealing the secrets of the past. To modern technology, witness history like never before. Welcome to Historylover.
The Great Wall, myth or reality? China's history spans millennia. Its ancient dynasties have left an indelible mark on the world. From groundbreaking inventions to philosophical thought, ancient China's legacy is profound. This essay will journey through the major dynasties, highlighting their key contributions. We will explore their rise and fall. We will understand their impact on Chinese society. Join us as we uncover the fascinating story of ancient China. The Great Wall stands as a testament to the power and ingenuity of ancient Chinese dynasties. Ancient China is renowned for its dynastic cycles. These cycles represent periods of unity, prosperity, decline, and eventual replacement. Understanding these cycles is crucial to grasping the complexities of Chinese history. Each dynasty contributed unique aspects to the development of Chinese civilization. The Shang Dynasty was known for its advanced bronze casting techniques. From the legendary Xia Dynasty to the final imperial dynasty, the Qing, each era offers valuable insights into China's past. Let us delve into the annals of time and explore these fascinating periods. The Xia Dynasty is shrouded in mystery. It is believed to be the first dynasty in Chinese history. The Xia Dynasty is thought to have existed from around 2070 BCE to 1600 BCE. Archaeological evidence is still limited. However, legends and stories about the Xia Dynasty persist. One such legend tells of the Great Flood. Yu the Great, a mythical figure, is credited with controlling the floodwaters and establishing the Xia Dynasty. According to the legend, a man named Yu the Great successfully controlled the floodwaters. He earned the mandate to rule. This story highlights the importance of flood control in ancient China. It also emphasizes the need for strong leadership. The Xia Dynasty laid the foundation for Chinese civilization. Its existence, though not fully confirmed, continues to intrigue historians and archaeologists. Further discoveries may one day unlock the secrets of this elusive period. The Erlitou site holds potential clues to the Xia Dynasty and its cultural practices. The search for tangible evidence of the Xia Dynasty continues to captivate researchers. Each new discovery brings us closer to understanding this pivotal period in Chinese history. The Shang Dynasty emerged around 1600 BCE. It marked a significant advancement in Chinese civilization. The Shang Dynasty is known for its sophisticated bronze casting techniques. These techniques produced elaborate vessels and weapons. Oracle bones provide valuable insights into Shang Dynasty beliefs and practices, including divination rituals. Another remarkable feature of the Shang Dynasty was the development of writing. Evidence of this early writing system is found on oracle bones. These bones were used for divination. They offer glimpses into the Shang people's beliefs and rituals. The Shang Dynasty was a highly stratified society. At the top was the king. He was considered an intermediary between the heavens and the human world. Below the king were nobles and warriors. They played crucial roles in maintaining order and expanding the dynasty's territory. The Shang Dynasty developed a complex social structure, with the king at the apex and elaborate palaces as symbols of power. The Shang Dynasty's contributions to bronze casting, writing, and social organization had a lasting impact on the development of Chinese culture. Section 4. The Zhou Dynasty, the Mandate of Heaven, and a Feudal Society. The Zhou Dynasty overthrew the Shang Dynasty around 1046 BCE. It became the longest-lasting dynasty in Chinese history. The Zhou Dynasty introduced the concept of the Mandate of Heaven. This concept legitimized their rule. It also served as a warning to future rulers. The Mandate of Heaven became a central tenet of Chinese political thought, justifying the rule of virtuous leaders. According to the Mandate of Heaven, rulers had the divine right to govern. However, they had to rule justly and wisely. If they failed to do so, they would lose the mandate. Natural disasters or social unrest were seen as signs of a lost mandate. The Zhou Dynasty also established a feudal system. They granted land to nobles in exchange for loyalty and military service. This system led to a decentralized power structure. It ultimately contributed to the dynasty's decline. The Zhou dynasty's feudal system, while initially promoting stability, eventually led to fragmentation and internal conflicts. The Zhou dynasty was a period of significant cultural and philosophical development. Confucianism and Daoism emerged during this time, shaping Chinese thought for centuries to come. Section 5. The Warring States period and the Qin Dynasty, Unification, and the First Emperor. As the Zhou dynasty weakened, China descended into a period of chaos known as the Warring States period. This era, lasting from 475 BCE to 221 BCE, was marked by constant warfare between rival states. The state of Qin eventually emerged victorious. It unified China under the rule of Qin Shi Huang, the first emperor. The Warring States period was a time of intense conflict and military innovation as states vied for supremacy. Qin Shi Huang was a ruthless but effective ruler. He abolished the feudal system, he centralized power, he standardized weights, measures, and even the written script. He also began the construction of the Great Wall. Qin Shi Huang's reign was marked by both remarkable achievements and brutal authoritarianism. The Qin Dynasty, though short-lived, had a profound impact on Chinese history. It laid the foundation for a unified and centralized empire. However, its harsh rule also sowed the seeds of its downfall.